GPT-5 is finally here and I've been hooked from day one. I've tested it on everything, making games, building dashboards without code, and even running deep research like I've got my own team of experts. And it's actually delivering. In this video, I'll show you exactly what's new with real live demos you can try right now. And if you want the exact prompts I'm using, just like the video and comment GPT demo and I'll drop them in the pinned comments. Let's start simple. GPT-5 now has one brain for everything. That means you don't pick a model anymore. It just adapts. Quick questions stay lightning fast. Deep problems, it automatically switches to heavy compute. Hallucinations are now basically gone, down to under 1%, and brings deep reasoning features to the free tier. That means faster, more accurate answers and advanced tools for everyone. Now, let's demo the cool stuff. First thing you'll notice, you don't pick the GPT model anymore. It auto switches. So, quick stuff stays fast and deep problems get heavy compute. That matters in live demos. Less fiddling, more results. Watch this. I'm asking GPT-5 a super quick question. Boom, instant answer. Now, I'm giving it a complex multi-step business problem. See the pause there? That's it, switching gears to give me something deep, not just quick. No setting changes, no menus, it just knows what to do. And for people who live in this stuff, that's huge. Less fiddling, more doing. Okay, now let's come to accuracy. This is massive. If you have used AI for work, you know the pain of fact checking everything because sometimes it just makes things up. Now, GPT-5 either gives you citations or straight up tells you I can't confirm instead of lying. That means you can actually trust it for things like market research, business research, or pitching ideas. Still double check, but you're saving hours of cleanup. Now this is a game changer. The kind of deep reasoning tools that were once behind a paywall are now in the free plan. That means solo founders can run the same high level analysis big companies use. For example, I can drop in a product idea and GPT-5 will instantly give me top risks, mitigation plan and even a week by week launch roadmap. You could literally use this to go from idea to launch without hiring a strategist. Now this is where it starts to feel like cheating. GPT-5 can make your fully functional dashboard, chart tables, drop downs with zero coding knowledge. You can just copy the code it gives you into a file, open it and boom, interactive, clickable data tools. You can tweak the numbers like add projections. It's like having a developer who works in a copy paste. And the best part, you can embed these in your website, send them to clients or just use them to look like an absolute genius in meetings. Okay, this is where things get fun. GPT-5 can actually build fully playable games and not just text-based or boring little quizzes. I'm talking about a real working Tetris style game you can paste and play right in your browser. Like blocks falling, rotating, clearing lines, works on desktop and your smartphone. Agent mode is where GPT-5 starts acting like a team, not just a tool. You can give it a mission and it goes out, researches, compiles and delivers a complete package. For example, I can tell it to research YouTube video ideas in my niche, pull keywords, write thumbnail concepts, even give me a script hook, all based on real-time web data. That's hours of research done in minutes with links to back it up. One of my favorite tricks, create your own board of advisors. You tell GPT-5, pretend to be Jeff Bezos, Seth Godin or Eric Ries. Give it your idea and it'll hit you with critical, no BS feedback in 3 different expert voices. It's like having mentors on speed dial, mentors who never sleep and don't charge consulting fees. Thumbnails, banners, product shots. GPT-5's image generator can create them all from a single sentence. You describe it, it makes it. You tweak it, it updates it. I've gone from an idea to multiple thumbnail options in minutes. And when you are running content at speed, that's priceless. So yeah, GPT-5 isn't just hype, it's a toolbox. Adaptive compute, better accuracy, deep reasoning, image tools, agent mode and no code outputs that actually work. If you want me to turn any of these into full step-by-step video guides, just comment, make it and I'll make it happen. And if you want the exact prompts from today, just comment GPT-5 demo and I'll drop them in the pinned comments. Alright, see you in the next one. Peace.